The Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, has already filed 3 batches of complaints against individuals and companies implicated in the flood control scandal. The latest to face tax evasion charges are Sally Santos of Sims Construction and IM Construction, both of which received contracts for flood control projects in Bulacan. The tax records of Senator Chis Escudero's campaign donor will also be scrutinized by the BIR. Margot Gonzalez reports.
The owners of Sims Construction, Sally Santos, and IM Construction are now being pursued by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, for tax evasion. In the third batch of filings, they were charged with 13.8 million in tax evasion complaints at the DOJ, led by Internal Revenue Commissioner Sherlito Mendoza. According to Mendoza, Santos has a total tax liability of 6.4 million pesos based on unpaid taxes for the first and second quarters of the current year, while IM Construction owes 7.4 million pesos for unpaid taxes in the fourth quarter of 2024. Aside from tax evasion, they were also charged with failing to provide accurate information in their tax declarations. They reportedly declared construction costs to claim deductions on their taxes. However, the projects they claim, flood control projects in Bulacan, turned out to be non-existent.
Nag-file po siya ng tax return sa Bureau of Internal Revenue at nagdeklara ng deductions or construction cost. Subalit, since wala naman pong aktual na proyekto na nagawa, di ibig sabihin ho, fictitious itong deductions, non-existent. At ito po ay ginawa lamang para maiwasan ang pagbabayad ng tamang buwis.
According to Mendoza, more complaints could be filed against the two companies if it is proven that they also failed to pay the correct taxes on their other projects. Aside from potentially facing charges and imprisonment of up to 10 years if found guilty, they would also be required to pay their unpaid taxes, depending on the court's decision. Their ongoing operations could also be affected.
So far as the BIR is concerned, hindi naman na po sila makakakuha ng tax clearance din. So hindi na rin po sila makakapagpatuloy. Ngayon yung revocation po ng kanilang registration, kung sila ay halimbawa nakarehistro bilang corporation sa SEC, yung cancellation po nun ay nasa poder ng ibang ahensya.
It is worth recalling that the Vizcaya couple, along with Bulacan engineers Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, and JP Mendoza, were previously charged with tax evasion by the BIR. According to Commissioner Mendoza, they have already filed 12 complaints with the DOJ, pursuing a total of 8.8 billion in unpaid taxes. Many more individuals could also face charges from the BIR as long as sufficient evidence is available against them, including Saldico and others implicated in the flood control scandal. Even Senator Chis Escudero's campaign donor will have their tax records scrutinized by the BIR.
Sinasabi niya na nagdeklara siya, nagbigay siya ng donation na 30 million pesos. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang asset na 30 million pesos na ibinigay niya. So, ibabangga naman po namin ito sa mga tax returns na isinampa niya. Kung yung bang ibinayad niyang buwis ay tumutugma doon sa asset na yon. Yun naman po ang anggulo na titingnan ng BIR.
For God and beloved Philippines, this is Margot Gonzalez, SMNI News.